Hi, this is another demonstration video. I want to show you how to get to the point where you can clean the laptop. As you can see, I don't have the doors here. First you need to remove the battery, of course, then unscrew this where the keyboard sign is, this screw on the middle and one on the left. Turn it around. You have these types of things. Push them back. I have only one left on my keyboard. Take the keyboard out and take the keyboard out. Now, as you can see, I have RAM on this. Probably for I don't know. You need a star screw for this one. Mine is already off. One more thing you need to do is to take this bar out to remove completely the heat pipe and the cooler. You have 1, 2, 3 screws that you need to remove cooler, and then the star screw here. Why it's only for demo on these laptops? Mainly because they are defective, and I don't want to clean them as I don't need to. Okay, put everything back and it's okay.